accessing the shared site where we're going to be getting to our software. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go out to the help desk. All right. And then the help desk has got if we take a look, the first two articles here, the remote application portal for Windows, report application portal for Mac. So what there's software does the same thing, but there's a version that runs on Windows. There's a version that runs on Mac that we need to look at. All right. I'll access the one for Mac. All right. So the steps are, as we've outlined it here, you have to download the software. So this is actually the app software from, I think it's on the Apple Store. All right, so Microsoft's remote desktop. If you're on Windows, Windows has its own version. You download that and install it on your machine. All right, so I've installed it on my machine. So if you take a look here, I actually have it. Right here. All right, this is my desktop software. All right, I have it running down here. All right. So what I can do, let me exit and log back in. So actually I'll do the whole quit remote desktop, come back in. All right, so we'll do Launchpad, Microsoft Desktop. Now what will happen is the first time through, so I've actually logged on, so I get direct access. The first time you come through, what you need to do, and we'll kind of step through this here, you need to subscribe to a workplace. All right, so you can either connect to a PC, a virtual machine, or to workspaces. So we're going to access a workspace. Okay, and then we click that, and then we say Add Workspace. All right, the screen should look like this. And what we will need to do when it says Add Workspace, this is what we need to select. All right, this HTTPS. You can just cut and paste. The RD web wvd.microsoft.com. That's where this thing is hosted at on the internet. All right. Now I had a problem with this before. What I had to do was I actually it wasn't working. So what I ended up doing is I deinstalled my old version and I reinstalled my new version. All right, and it worked fine. So you want to enter this as the URL. All right, and it'll put that information there, and then click Add. All right, it will prompt you when you do that for your email address and password. So basically, whatever you use for what we use to log on. If you need to download, you click the download now link if prompted. So what happens is the workspace is actually stored in a file that's being maintained on this site. So when we connect to it, what it will do is we'll package up the file, download it to the machine, and execute it. All right. So if you're already set up on this for other classes, you may already have it. If not, if you get this message, just click download now, and then you should see the application. All right, so this is the applications that we're working with. What we're going to work with is this Tableau 2020-2. All right, and when you double click on that, it will prompt you for your password again. Do a continue, and then we'll actually create an access, a running version of it on your machine. All right. So this is what we're going to be working with for our exercises over the next day or so. All right. Go ahead and try it. Problems, you can try to reach out. I mean, I may or may not be around. My suggestion would be if you run into a problem, just leave the ticket, open up a ticket with the help desk, and see what they can do, and we'll be able to work through this in the morning. All right, thanks a lot. Talk to you soon. Bye now.